Hello children, let us move on to the other kind of verbs that are linking verbs. What is a linking verb? A linking verb connects the subject with a word that gives information about the subject, such as condition or relationship. They do not show any action. They link the subject with the rest of the sentence. Let us see, for example, the word are. If in a sentence we see that they are a problem, so here they is the pronoun and are is the linking verb that connects the word they and problem to show the relationship between the two words. There are other common linking words that are used in other sentences. They include words like be, am, is, are, was, were, being, and been. So these are some of the examples of linking verbs. Now let us see these examples in the form of sentences. Let us see the first sentence. Here the linking verbs are given in bold letters so that you understand the concept well. William is excited about his promotion. So here you can see in the bold letters is given. So is the linking verb. She appears upset about the announcement. So here appears is the linking verb. She appears. Here the word appears looks as if it is an action verb, but actually it is not an action verb, it is a linking verb. The eggs smells rotten. Here, to show the relation between the eggs and the quality, that how it has become, the word smell is used. He went red after tripping on the rug. Here went shows the linking verb. I have given some more examples to you here. Your plans for the wedding sounds nice. So, sound is a linking verb. You look exhausted after studying all night. Look is the linking verb. I am putty in his hand. So, here am is the linking verb. Maria might have been more forthcoming with the news. So here we have three words which act as linking verbs. They are might, have, been. Now let us see the other sentence. Tom acted nervous when the teacher found the note. So here acted is the linking verb. The audience felt silence when the conductor walked on the stage. Here fell is the linking word. Dreams come true when we believe in them. Here come is the linking word. The crowd stayed calm in spite of the imminent threat. Here stayed is the linking verb. Let us see the last sentence. All the children seemed satisfied with the buoyancy castle. Now here you have some new words that are very new for you, but I think we can concentrate on the linking verbs instead of going for the hard words. And if you really find the word hard, what I feel is you must go for the dictionary and you must increase your word power, and that will really improve your vocabulary. So don't say that you have got very hard words and you don't understand those words. Rather, I would like you to find the meanings of these words so that it will be good for you also. Okay, so with this we complete the explanation of all the types of verbs. Go through the videos, understand the types of verbs, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.